Welcome to the new Sundance Media Group podcast channel. My name's Jennifer Pigeon. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and owner of SMG. We are really excited to bring this to you. We have 25 years of training and consulting excellence under our belts, and we've been within the UAS industry for the last 9, including producing the very first drone trade show. As a woman-owned business, we're here to not really complain about the industry, but definitely train and educate. And that is our primary goal. And this is our Las Vegas team. And with that, I'm going to transfer it on over to one of the founding members of SMG, Douglas.
So the Las Vegas team is really thrilled to be here with you. When we founded Sundance Media Group back in 1994, we had no idea that it was going to grow into all of these various avenues and channels. We started out predominantly being a post-production and then later production training company, but as we worked in the production side and got into aerial cinematography to go along with our ground-based cinematography, it became a very natural fit to move into drones. And as Jennifer mentioned, we produced the very first drone training event in the world here in Las Vegas in 2011. Now, we each have special features or verticals that we work within. So the verticals that I work within, of course, are cinematography, but I also work deeply in public safety as well as construction site data capture or progress reporting, etc. I'm also a focused expert on the Pix4D post-production software, and we'll be showing you more about that in later training events or later podcasts. With that, I'm going to turn you over to and introduce James Spear.
Well, thank you, Douglas. Like Douglas just said, my name is James. My vertical is mainly emergency services, so police, fire, search, and rescue. I'm also the information technology guy around here, so when the computers don't work properly, I get to come in and fix them all the time. It happens.
I do know how to turn it on, though.
That's the key. The ONFF switch is a very, very important piece. With that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Joanne, so Joanne can introduce herself.
Thank you, James. I'm Joanne LEMING, and my vertical is business development. And it's an exciting time in the industry. It's an exciting time for SMG. We would love to talk to you about your training needs, aerial security. What do you need? Call us to let us know. We're here to help you. So now I'm going to turn it over to the person on my left, Brady.
Hi, my name is Brady REISCH, and I am a UAS instructor here with Sundance Media Group. My primary vertical is going to be construction and photogrammetry, specifically through like the Pix4D system. And I really hope that you guys will come and join us, come meet us in person. Make sure you guys subscribe to the podcast, and make sure that you guys stay in touch.
Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And as Brady mentioned, there will be a lot of opportunity for you to meet us online and in person. We will be your primary podcast core team, but we are missing a couple of our Las Vegas team members today. We're missing Brent, who is a full-time firefighting training instructor. We're also missing Officer David Martell, who is a full-time law enforcement or full-time peace officer. So because of other duties, they couldn't be with us here today, but you will be seeing them in future podcasts. So if you're involved in any aspect of the commercial UAS industry, you want to be checking out these podcasts. They're all very short bites that should help you through your business in the commercial UAV industry. So hit the subscribe button below. Jennifer?
Absolutely, and be ready to hear not only interviews, but also product reviews. One of the things we pride ourselves on is we don't actually sell anything other than our services. We help evaluate equipment and get the right gear into your hands for the project that you're trying to accomplish. So please do stay in touch. Check out sundancemediagroup.com and sign up for our e-newsletter to keep in touch with everything that we're doing.